Well, this is Dave the Rave roving the rock here, and this little bird just kind of panicked a minute ago, and a few minutes ago, and maybe 15 minutes ago, and flew into my window. And I picked it up in my hands and I put it under the hedge for a while and watched it, and then it kind of seemed to come about, and then I put it back in my hands again and helped it to kind of come around and help it fly, and it flew to here, and now it seems to be my friend, and it can fly again. It's not scared. It's the only bird that's not scared of me, because I helped it get around. I was hoping it was undamaged, and it is. You are a lovely little bird. It flew to here from the other end of the garden, so it can fly fine. It's okay now. It's just worked out in its head that I'm not scary. Isn't that great? That's my little friend. Isn't that funny? I'll get a bit closer. You're my little friendly bird. You're my little friendly bird. Yes, you are. So you are. And it's okay now. It's okay. It's okay, wee bird. Okay. Because it can fly. And I wasn't sure if it was going to come around, if it was going to be okay or not, but it is. It could have flown away here, because it flew away to me onto this fence from the other end of the garden. It sat here, and then when I came up here, all the other birds flew away and this one didn't. And this one's not scared. It's lovely. Look at you, you're my little friend now. You're my little friend. You want to step on my finger? No? You were lovely. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. Isn't that funny? And this bird's fine. It's just my friend. Funny wee thing. Funny how nature works out like that. Lovely wee thing. Anyway, okay, better leave it alone. Dave the Rave roving the rock, over and out. Yeah, that's you I'm talking about there. That's you. Yeah, are you going to peck me? Come on. Come on, wee thing. Here we are. There we are. There we are. Right, let's turn. Oh, there we go. There we go. You've flown away now. Is that you finished? Where did you go to? Where did you go to, little bird? Not you?